Yo, what's good, y'all? Today we're gonna be making a Suicide Boys type beat. Yeah.
I made the beat. I was like, this is really nasty.
You told me the verse and I said, okay.
You told me to get out.
I said, get out of the studio so I can do my verse. Studio so I can.
We got the gold tee right after Southside Suicide tour, and we actually got some real money. This is really nasty. I wanted to come in with a little flex, you know, talk about the gold tee, talk about the swagger.
Studio so I can.
Always got a lot of dark shit on my mind, you know, seeing people with guns. That's me being a sick fuck. I'm just a sick fuck.
Studio so I can. In my life, I was rejected by somehow at some point in time. To this day, don't have friends. Studio so I can.
Who smokes more between the two of you?
Me by far. Me as a sheep. But we also use like double image. But I'm also saying like sacrificing all of our fans so they can be, you know.
This is really nasty.
We live in the snow, jumping from ice cube to fucking ice cube, like. Studio so I can.
Oh shit! What is that?
Let's get it. Let's get it!
What you doing?
Me and Ski on that.
No, alright. So, we started from scratch. Let's see, what are we gonna do here?
What?
Fuck.
Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Alright, so I got this drum kit. This is Suicide Boys drum kit. I guess I'll just use all the instruments from here. Let's see what we got. Alright, let's see what we got. Alright, that's probably all the drums I'm gonna be using. Yeah. This is gonna be a fairly quick one. Not really gonna put too much into it. Let's see how fast we could actually do it. Alright, so we got some samples here. Let's check them out. I'm gonna see which one I wanna do.
What?
Evil shit is melody. Evil shit is spinning. It's coming through. Get out of
Trying to be hard, but always ass nigga. I'm just keep running your mouth.
Break them hoes, brag, clean, smoke your dope.
Alright, kinda
Break them hoes, brag, clean, smoke your dope.
So, this is what we're gonna do. That's me.
Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Alright, so I'm gonna take this. In fact, let's bump this up to 140.
Break them hoes, brag, clean, smoke your dope.
Oh, that looks about right. So I'm gonna just loop this a couple times. There you got it. That's the beat, guys. I'm just kidding. So yeah, let's start with these drums, y'all. Yeah, let's start with these drums. So first what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna send this to its own mixer channel. Because it got that bass in it, I'm gonna EQ the fuck out that shit.
Break them hoes, brag, clean, smoke your dope. 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 Break them hoes, brag, clean, smoke your dope.
And of course you gotta throw on some reverb, cause what's a beat without reverb? I'm just playing. Bro, what?
Break them hoes, brag, clean, smoke your dope. 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 Break them. Break them hoes, brag, clean, smoke your dope. Break them hoes, brag, clean, smoke your dope. Break them hoes, brag, clean.
Alright, we're gonna save that for later. I'm gonna throw on some gross beats, cause duh, it's FL, nigga.
Break them hoes, brag, clean, smoke your dope. Break them
double it up. Double or nothing, baby. Double or nothing. Bruh. Time for some motherfucking drums. So, yeah, y'all already know how we do it. Let's get it. Alright, so I'm gonna probably get into some 808s. Yeah, y'all. I'm gonna turn off the kicks and let's see what we can do here. bad, y'all. I usually am on top of this. There you got it, y'all. That's a beat. See, let me see what I'm gonna do here. I'm gonna just put something together real quick. Alright, y'all. If y'all enjoyed that video, then you already know what to do. Hit that thumbs up button. Cause we got swag. Other than that, if you're new to the channel, think about subscribing, because if you're not, then you're gonna miss the next video, and the video before this, and the video after that, and all the videos. So yeah, y'all already know what to do. Yeah. If y'all want to see the full beat, yeah, the link's down in the description. It'll be probably on SoundCloud and YouTube. Yeah, so check that out. Other than that, y'all already know what it is. It's your boy Zay, 100K Zay. Y'all already know it's Zay Squad. Yeah, you already know what it is. Yeah, we evil in this. So, if you want to check out my other music, yeah, I got other music. I got actual music that I produce, and I got music that I wrote and everything. They're out. The links will be in the description. Other than that, follow me on Instagram. I'm gonna leave that right here. Yeah. Subscribe to the channel. Hit the thumbs up button. Hit the notification bell. Y'all already know how we do it. Drop a comment for what video I want to see next. Next. Yeah. Other than that, ooh. Am I missing anything? Y'all, because of y'all, you guys make this channel. So without you guys, there's no channel. So because of you, now you. I wasn't even looking at the lens the whole time. I was looking at the screen, wasn't I? So because of you guys, this channel is what it is. So I would like for you newcomers to hit that subscribe button. You already know. Yeah, new videos gonna be uploaded on a weekly basis, maybe twice a week. I don't know, but yeah. See y'all in the next video.